In this lecture, I will show you how I make backups in Shopify. Okay, back to the dashboard. I'm gonna navigate to apps and I'll wait. Okay, right over here, I'm gonna click on Visit Shopify App Store. And I will wait. And I will search here backups. And right over here, I'm gonna click on Rewind Backups because this is the only good backup plugin in Shopify, in my opinion. There are more, but this is the one of the best. Okay, you will get the schedule if you install this. If you take a membership on it, you can start a 7-day trial, but after that you must pay, so that's not good. But yeah, if you really want to back up your website and secure your store, I highly recommend to use backups. So I'm going to click on Add App and I will wait. And I will give them access to nearly everything. I will install the app. Don't worry, they don't gonna trash your store or something else. Okay. I'll wait. And I go to the plugin. Okay, what happens if you sign up for this plan? You will get a schedule backup, a calendar, and you can back up in days. So yeah, you can select the day you want to back up, and it's really easy to use. So now you know how it looks a little bit, but I don't gonna start my trial because I don't have a credit card for this course. So I will see you soon.